In this video, we will see that how we can use Microsoft Word in the smartphone. If you want to know that how you can download and install Microsoft Office for 100% free in your smartphone, then watch the suggested video. To use the Microsoft Word, we will tap here on this plus sign. Now here you can see that there are 4 products of the Microsoft Office: Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Forms. Now let's tap on the Word. In Word, you can find here 4 options: scan text, dictate, blank document, and create from templates. Let's tap on the blank document. Now this is the page. First we will type here something. At the bottom you can see all the options that are used to format the text, like bold, italic, underlined, change the text color to highlight, and here are some options for the alignment. If you want to access the ribbon that consists of home, insert and other such menus, then you just have to tap here. We will just tap here, and here you will find all the menus like home, insert, draw, layout, review and view. For example, I want the options that are in insert tab, then I will just tap here, and here are all the options of the insert tab, like tables, pictures, shapes, text box, links, comments and other options like header and footer, equations, footnote and endnote. Now let's talk about the copy, paste and cut options in the Microsoft Word. For example, I want to copy this text, then I will just tap here, and here you can find the option. Now I will tap here on select all. Now you can see that the text has been selected. Here you can find all the options: cut, copy and paste. When you will tap here you will find all the options related to paste: simple paste, keep source formatting, keep text only, and other different options that will be enabled when you will do more work in Microsoft Word. Here you can see the dictation button. When you will tap here, now anything that I will detect will be typed here. Here you can see the demo. Now let's just tap here and it will stopped. So this is the text that has been written by the dictation. We will tap here, and now we will format this text. For example, I want to bold the specific word. For example, I want to bold the demo. So I will select this in this way, and now I will just type here bold, and the word demo will be bolded. Now let's see that how we can save our work. To save our work, we have to tap here on these 3 dots, and here you can find options like save and save as. You can also tap here on read aloud, and your text will be read aloud. You can also share your document from here. You just have to tap here on share, and here you will find all the options related to share. For example, I want to share an attachment, so I will tap here share as attachment. And here are 2 options that either you want to share your attachment as a document or as a PDF. For example, I want to share it as a PDF, so I will tap here. Now you can see all the options that can be used to share my document as a PDF. So this was all about the Microsoft Word in the smartphone. If you want a detailed video of Microsoft Office in the smartphone, then let me know in the comment section. I will make a video for you. That's all for this video.